making again. Hope everybody's doing good. I don't know if y'all remember a couple months ago I made a video about us planting potatoes. So actually today we are getting the potatoes up, so I wanted to show y'all that. Follow up with my planting potatoes video. So the first thing you want to do when you go to get your potatoes up is you either want to bush hog or you want to mow them down. It just makes them way easier to get up. So yeah, I'm going to show y'all how that's done. The kiddos are excited. It's like a treasure hunt for them. They love getting up potatoes. Y'all say hey.
Hey!
Hey! Alright, as you can see, like I said a while ago, we have already bush hogged these. Andy bush hogged these a couple nights ago. And look here. He's using a potato plow. We just plow them up instead of digging them up one by one. I mean, either way works. It's just easier to plow them up instead of just digging them up. So we're hoping to get a good crop off of these. Hoping to offer bushels of potatoes for sale here before long. But yeah, hopefully we'll get a good crop off of these. Look at those.
That's when I want to dump it.
Alright, so this is how many we got off our first row. We got 3 more to go. So if you are using the plow method like we did, you're going to want to plow through it one more time after you get those potatoes up. Make sure you don't miss anything. So we're getting ready to do that.
I found one.
So he's just re-plowing it. That's just to make sure we don't miss any. See here? There's a few that we missed. You're not going to find as many on this go round, you know, because we've already picked up most of them. So this is just to make sure we don't miss any.
So we had the...
This is going through the second row. This is the row we haven't plowed yet. Look at it slinging those potatoes out.
Holy cow, there's a lot right here. There's a lot. Right?
Alright, this is how many we have after 2 rows. Got 2 rows to go. This is after 3 rows. We got 1 row left. Our trailer is getting pretty full. See the potatoes coming out behind the plow? Looky there. Gotta knock the weeds and the dirt off the plow. This is another reason it's important to mow or bush hog them before you come to get them up. Makes it so much easier because if you got those huge vines and weeds, it's gonna be a lot more difficult. Alright, there you have it. That's all 4 rows. Show you how deep that trailer is. So we're going to get these back to the house and store them up. What we don't get rid of, we want to keep in a cool, dark place. We have a root cellar in our basement. You know, our basement's in an old house. It's a dirt basement, so it acts as our root cellar. Works great. So I'll put what I'm going to keep down there. And then my husband will come down here and fix the land back and cover it in a cover crop. And that'll be it for the potato harvest of this year. Alright y'all, so we're back here at the house. I've actually already sold about 6 bushels of potatoes today. Been busy getting ready to put mine up. I put them in containers and put them down in my basement. Like I said earlier, my basement is a dirt basement, so it works excellent as a root cellar. Keeps potatoes great. I actually kept my potatoes until about February this year. I was still eating potatoes from our garden last year, so I hope they last that good again. So yeah, check out the next video. Here in about a week or so, we'll be preserving fresh corn. So remember to check out that video. Check out my video how we planted our potatoes. And I also add us a playlist in here if you want to check out some easy desserts. I'm going to add that in here as well, since today's video wasn't exactly about cooking. So anyways, I appreciate y'all watching, and I'll talk to y'all next time.